Today we will discuss about the back cross and test cross. So first we will discuss about back cross. Back cross is defined as the F1 offspring cross with one of the two parents from which they were derived. Such a cross is known as the back cross. It means that if we cross the two pure parent, after crossing we can get the F1 hybrid, and this F1 hybrid again cross with the any one parent, that is called the back cross. For example, we take one example depends on the back cross. For this example, first we will select the two pure parent. So one parent is the tall parent and another parent is the dark parent. For this tallness, responsible genotype is capital T, and for this darkness, responsible genotype is small t. After getting genotype, we get the gametes, and these gametes cross with each other. After crossing, we can get the F1 generation having the phenotypic character tallness. After getting this hybrid F1 generation, we cross with his generation, again cross with the tall parent or dark parent. For better understanding, we cross this F1 generation with both parents. So first we will cross this F1 generation with the tall parent. After crossing with tall parent, we can get the 4 offspring in F2 generation. These all 4 offspring shows the phenotypic character tallness, but 50% offspring is the pure tall and 50% offspring is the hybrid tall. Then this F2, this F1 hybrid cross with the small parent. After crossing, we can get the 4 offspring, and these 4 offspring shows the phenotypic character. 50% offspring show phenotypic character is tallness, and 50% offspring shows phenotypic character is the darkness. Means 50% offspring is the hybrid tall and 50% offspring is the dark plant. Means after crossing with this F1 hybrid with the dark plant, we can get the phenotypic ratio is the 1:1. That is called the back cross. Then next cross is the test cross. Test cross is the simple method devised by Mendel to verify or to know the genotype of F1 hybrid. When hybrids show or express recessive trait, for example, dark pea plant have a definitely genotype is small t. But in case of hybrid tall plant, it is not possible to know its genotype, because in F1 hybrid all tall plant have a heterozygous genotype, but in case of F2 generation all tall plant not have a heterozygous genotype. 25% tall plant is the pure. Therefore, to find out the whether of homozygous tall plant or heterozygous tall plant, we perform the test cross instead of the selfing of F1 generation. So test cross is defined as the F1 hybrid cross with homozygous recessive parent is known as the test cross. Means we cross with two homozygous parent or two pure parent with each other. After getting F1 generation, we cross this F1 generation with the homozygous recessive parent. That is called the test cross. It is used to test whether an individual is homozygous or heterozygous. Test cross is used for the individual is homozygous or heterozygous for a particular trait. Then next, test cross is easy, simple, repeatable and predictable for the experiment. Then next, test cross can be used to find out. Test cross is used to find out the genotype of any plant with dominant trait. Means plant have a dominant trait. For this expression or for this trait, test cross use the to know genotype of this trait. Then we take example of monohybrid test cross. In monohybrid test cross, tall plant cross with dark plant. After crossing, we can get hybrid plant having the genotype capital T, small t. This hybrid plant again cross with the recessive parent. After crossing, we can get the 50% plant is tall and 50% plant is dark. Because of the recessive parent have only one types of gamete, that is small t, and hybrid plant have two types of gamete, that is capital T, small t. Therefore, half of progeny is having the genotype capital T, small t, and half progeny have a genotype small t, and this progeny show the phenotypic ratio 1:1. That is called the test cross ratio. After studying these both example of back cross and test cross, Mendel concluded that test cross is a back cross, but back cross is not a test cross, because if you cross this hybrid plant with the homozygous dominant parent, we can get a phenotype. All plants show the tallness is the character. That is why backcross is not a test cross. Then we take the second example for unknown genotype. In this example, we find out that any plant have a dominant expression. So for this example, we take a color of flower. Have a dominant flower have a violet color and recessive flower have white color. After crossing this dominant and recessive flower, we get the F2 generation. In this F2 generation, if all flower have a violet color, we concluded that unknown flower is the homozygous dominant flower, and after crossing we get the half flower is the violet and half of flower is the white color. We concluded that unknown flower is the heterozygous flower. Therefore, test cross is also defined as the individual with unknown genotype for particular trait cross with the recessive plant for that trait. It is also used for the introduction of recessive trait in hybrid in rapid improvement program. It is more popular with plant breeders for its simple 1:1 ratio. Thank you.